Today I will talk about on the topic Nelson Mandela in English. It is a very popular topic where there is a discussion about the personal life of Nelson Mandela. Long Walk to Freedom is the autobiography of Nelson Mandela, who was a former South African president. This article is for Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. This chapter is extracts from the Long Walk to Freedom book. It includes the description of the inauguration ceremony and citations from his speech and about his journey to being a freedom fighter. It says about the other countless people who fought for their freedom. In South Africa, a brutal practice named apartheid was very popular in those days. It referred to the discrimination between on the basis of their race and color. It was one of the most brutal societies in which dark-skinned people were deprived of their basic rights. This lesson gives us an overview of struggles of Mandela for making the society with no discrimination on the basis of their color, caste, race, age, or gender. Along to Freedom by Nelson Mandela, it's really about the struggle of freedom of South Africa. On May 10, 1994, Nelson Mandela has taken the oath as the first black president of South Africa, and therefore it was becoming a newborn democratic country. Nelson Mandela took the oath as the first black president. Many dignitaries from different countries had come to be part of the most significant days. In his speech, Mandela thanked all those dignitaries. Mandela assured his countrymen that his country would never ever experience the same suppression of one by another. Democracy had been established in South Africa, and as a result, a government of no discrimination was established. The people of South Africa sang two national anthems as a symbol of that day. Mandela recalled that the reason for this movement was that black-skinned people were exploited by the white people. He said that this type of separation of people of South Africa is the origin of many stars. People must learn to hate first, because if they hate, then they can be taught to love, as love comes from the opposite circumstances. He says that a brave man is not that who does not feel afraid, but who conquers it. In life, a man has two major obligations. First, towards his family, to his parents, to his wife, and to his children. And the second, on the other hand, obligation towards his country, people, and the community. Everyone fulfills his duty as per his inclination and interest. But it was very tough to fulfill in a country like South Africa. When Mandela became an adult, then he understood that his freedom was only an illusion. In fact, he was the slave of exploitation. He also understood that not only he was a slave, but his other family members were also. According to him, freedom is also mandatory for them who were suppressing others in the past. They also have the right to have it, because the snatcher of others' freedom is a prisoner of the same. Thus, the oppressor is as much a prisoner as the oppressed. The oppressor too is not free. At last, I would like to talk about the brave man. The brave man is not the one who does not feel afraid, but he is the one who conquers that fear. In the same way, Mandela pointed out that every man has his duties towards his country and communities too. Students are advised to do NCERT questions and one long questions along with one extract based question. Thank you.